Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Just before the brothers leave, I would like to just say this notice, and unusually after the Maghrib I would say my adhkar 10 times before I utter a word and before I rotate, but just in case the person who is here not to leave before he listens to this very important thing. I had a number of people coming to me and they say that we have noticed that some of the brothers, while the Imam is reciting, they are coughing. And when the Imam is not reciting, they're not coughing. And I have noticed that. Well, I wouldn't say that this person is doing it deliberately in order to disturb the Imam or in order to say that, come on Imam, we have got something to do. It's time now to leave, shorten your recitation. Because if he does so, he jeopardizes prayer. If he's got this intention, that is to clear his throat and to cough just for the sake of that the Imam would shorten his prayer, then your prayer is invalid, brother. But we believe that good opinion of this person, that this person doesn't want to do that. Then the second thing comes in, and that is, maybe this person has got, or the person has got a jinn or a possession. I have seen that somebody, and I've been told as well about somebody, that as soon as you pray next to him, he's burping, as soon as the recitation takes place, because the recitation irritates the jinn into him. And that is, as well, needs to be a treatment. So the person who's got this, he should not be praying in the Jama'ah, because he's affecting others and he's disturbing others with his burk. This person, he says, every time I see him, I pray somewhere else, because he keeps burking and keeps disturbing me in my prayer. So please, if you got this, you have to, clear yourself and treat yourself. It's just like a disease which can be contagious. So we'd say, inshallah, to the brother who is not doing it because of the disease, to fear Allah, akhi. Because I could hear it, that you did not cough whatsoever in sujood, in ruku'. It's only when we recite. So there's something wrong. So what of the two? Either you're going to be jeopardizing your prayer, and I don't think so, inshallah, you are happy, or you need to treat yourself. Jazakumullah khairan wa barakallahu fikum.